Hello student, today we are studying microwave spectroscopy chapter. In this chapter today we will see the rotation of molecules point. Before this starting the point, we remind last lecture. In last lecture we see that the rotational spectroscopy, it is also called it a microwave spectroscopy because in microwave spectroscopy, energy change in rotational level of molecules. In microwave spectroscopy, energy change in rotational level of molecule, and it is sufficient in range microwave region. So it is called a microwave spectroscopy, also called it rotational spectroscopy. The range of microwave spectroscopy is 3 into 10 raised to 10 hertz to 3 into 10 raised to 19 hertz in terms of frequency. To study the rotational spectroscopy, first know about the dipole moment. Dipole, it also seen in last lecture. Let us remind also dipole moment is positive charges and Cl is negative charges. The H is positive charges and Cl is negative charges. The current flow through H from H to Cl. Current flow through H to Cl. It is separated by the different charges. So it is called it polar molecule and also called it dipole moment. It is also called it microwave active molecule. Let us see. H is positive charges, Cl is negative charges. Current flow from H to Cl. It is called a polar molecule. It have dipole moment and it is microwave active molecules. The rotation of a diatomic molecule HCl showing fluctuation in the dipole moment. This C, this plus is H, this minus is Cl. This is direction from current flow from positive to negative. So this direction will be down. This will be rotated. Then the direction from H to Cl, this direction is left. Then it also rotated. Then direction will become up because this is the H and this is the Cl. So direction will be H to Cl. So up. This also rotated. Then it will become H to Cl. This is the right hand side. Then it is also rotated and it will become downward direction from H to Cl. Then it is also left direction from H to Cl. So current flowing is from H to Cl. The HCl molecule of dipole moment will be changes, rotation level changes. So it will get a fluctuation and it is a wave form. It will get a wave form. Let us come to the point. A rotational simple rule of rotational molecule is any molecule have permanent dipole moment, then this molecule will be rotated, then these molecules of rotation will have same energy and this energy is quantized form. Quantized means, let us see, quantized means the molecule, quantized means, let us see quantized means, if this is the plane, in this plane A is positive and B is negative, so it has dipole moment. In this molecule, when this molecule rotated, then it's a dipole moment change, and the change in dipole moment of the energy the change in dipole moment of energy is interact with this bombarded electromagnetic radiation of energy. The bombardment of electromagnetic radiation of energy is equal to this dipole moment of molecule of energy is a change. Energy is change. This energy is interact the molecule will get higher energy and it will go to the upper state. There is no middle state, so it is a quantized. Let us see. First molecule is here, then electromagnetic wave will be bombarded, then this molecule will be rotated and its higher energy will produce and it will goes direct in E2. There is no middle state, so it is called a quantized molecule. Let us see in example. We take example in HCl molecule. H have positive charge, Cl have negative charge. So this is the polar molecule and have permanent dipole moment. When this molecule will be rotated, this molecule will be rotated, then its electric field also, it have positive charge and it have negative charge. So this field positive and Cl, it is also electric field also rotated and change the dipole moment of molecule. We see in last lecture, when the radiation will be bombarded on this polar molecule, then the frequency of EM will be match. Let us see. In this molecule, electromagnetic radiation will be bombarded on this molecule, then EM molecule of this is the electromagnetic wave. This electromagnetic wave have some frequency and this electromagnetic wave is bombarded on this molecule, then this molecule will be rotated and its dipole moment will be changed and energy is changed. And when change is energy, the frequency of this EM wave will the match with change in the dipole moment of molecule of frequency, and we will get finally absorb the radiation and the absorb the radiation. First absorb the radiation. First the molecule will be here E1 state, lower state. Then when EM wave radiation will interact with, then it will goes to E2 and then absorb the radiation. The molecule is rotated from lower energy level to higher energy level. Molecule is rotated from lower energy to higher energy level. Rotational motion has quantized value. And quantized value, what will be the formula of rotational energy to find the rotational energy of this quantized value? What will be the formula of this energy of quantized value of rotational motion? What is the rotational energy and what is the rotational energy in higher level? These questions are solved by the Schrodinger equation. These questions solution have solved by the Schrodinger equation. By Schrodinger equation, we will get the rotational energy of this level, rotational energy of the higher level. We want to the energy in lower level, higher level, or quantized energy. So we want to solve the Schrodinger equation. It is a simple because it is a plane in equation. But it is difficult to rotation in three-dimensional axis. So first we see the different type of rotation of rotation of molecules. So let us see the classification of rotation of molecules. There are four type of molecules. There are classified in four type. First, four type of classified molecules. Before we talk about classification of molecule, we know the simple physics about the moment.